Hello, Maurieo Vlogs number 291, Birds on a Plane. Hello, welcome. Well, just to prove that you can have birds on a plane, I've got a photograph there behind me of a bird on a plane. These professional falconers are allowed to carry their birds on the plane in the cabin and on some airlines, and this is a photograph of that just to prove that for you. So tonight I'm going to try something a little bit new, and that I'm going to tell a joke that I've encountered in my thing. So that just gives me something a little bit different to do on my vlog, sort of a go-to sort of mechanism that I can use. And tonight's joke is about birds on a plane. So on reaching his plane seat, a man is surprised to find a parrot strapped into the seat next to him. The man asks the stewardess for a cup of coffee, and the parrot squawks, "And why don't you get me a whiskey, wench?" The stewardess, flustered by the parrot's outbursts, brings back a whiskey for the parrot, but inadvertently forgets the man's cup of coffee. As the man nicely points out the omission of his coffee to the stewardess, the parrot downs his drink and shouts, "And get me another whiskey, you ugly bitch." Visibly shaken, the stewardess comes back with the parrot's whiskey, but still no coffee for the man. Unaccustomed to such slackness, the man decides that he is going to try the parrot's approach. "I've asked you twice for a cup of coffee, wench. I expect you to get it for me right now, so I don't have to see that disgustingly hideous face of yours anymore." Next thing they know, both the man and the parrot are reached up and thrown out of the emergency exit by two burly security guards. Plunging downwards to the ground, the parrot turns to the man and says, "For someone who can't fly, you sure are a lippy bastard." Now, moving right along and sticking with the theme, who is this actor here? The parrot is named Seuss, Seuss, after Dr. Seuss, the author of "Oh, the Places You'll Go," the actress's favourite book ever. Who is the actress? The parrot is Seuss, and the actress's favourite book is by Dr. Seuss, "Oh, the Places You'll Go." Answers in the comments below. Yesterday's answer was quickly snapped up by Moz. It is obviously in line with the theme of Kiwi ingenuity. It is Bert Munro, who was a sort of self-taught mechanical engineer and seen here on the Bonneville Salt Flats during Speed Week with his Indian motorcycle, which he got to become the world's fastest Indian. And there was a movie made about his adventure in 2005 called The World's Fastest Indian. And I had a little thought about it because I have seen the movie, and there's a little thing in there where Bert has to mow the lawn. The council said his lawn's got too high, so it's a fire risk, so he douses it in petrol and sets fire to it, which is sort of in some ways a bit of a Kiwi thing to do, but I don't know whether it's Kiwi ingenuity or that Kiwi hatred or for my previous vlog, sticking it to the man. But anyway, in this instance, Moz got the answer, Burt Munro, the world's fastest Indian. And I really enjoyed the movie. So, yeah, if you haven't seen it, it might give you a little bit of insight into the Kiwi psyche and the sort of number 8 wire mentality that we admire so much. So let's just have a look at today's background, who this actor is there with the parrot Zeus, and yes, her favourite book by Dr. Zeus, Oh, the Places You'll Go. So once again, it's the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your comments and your likes and subscribing to my channel. I hope you enjoy the time you spend with my vlog, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Cheers! See you!